Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's videos, I'm gonna give you the color correction tutorial on CapCut. So you can try this setting on your next edit. So here, import your video and then go to adjust. And here you can use this setting. So set the brightness into 3 and then the contrast into 49. Okay, and then the saturations into 28 and set the highlight into -5 and the shadow into -7, and then go to time and set it into 36. Okay, so click on the check icon and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's the color correction tutorial on CapCut. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, thanks, and also the subscribe button, and also leave a comment if you have any question. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.